Just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Lovely Maya back with another video. As you can see by that title, today's video will be about boho Sengalease twist. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I drop a video. Now let's get straight into it. As you can see here, I'm starting off by making a part behind the ear, and then I split that part into two pieces. Look at those parts. Y'all see how crisp they are? The gel that I'm using is locking gel. It's the black jug or black bottle with the red writing on it. And the hair that I'm using is regular pre-stretched braiding hair. As you can see here, I split the hair into three pieces. So I'll be starting off like a braid, and then I will switch over into the twist. Right here, you can see me braiding it down. I just added like a regular box braid, and then I'll be splitting one piece of the hair into two pieces to make the twist. And then as you twist, you want to make sure that you're twisting in the opposite direction of both, and you twist down at the same time. Here, you see me splitting the hair some more to make the twist even all the way down. Also, what I do to make sure that I'm moving a little faster and the hair don't get tangled up, I add gel throughout the braiding process or the twisting process. And for the ends, I am using the passion twist hair. You can use pre-tressed braiding hair or any other curly hair to get that desired look. I don't twist all the way down. I make sure I leave a little bit of the hair left, of the pre-stretched braiding hair left at the end, so I can add the curly hair in with it. So you want to continue the same process, making sure that the straight ends are covered up. And at the end, you want to tie it down like a regular box braid end would be. You can add some nail glue, or you can light it, use a lighter to light it to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. And that is your boho Sengalease twist, y'all. As you can see, she liked her hair from the beginning. If you did not understand, you can always rewind this video back and play it as many times as you need. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, and that come on being attached. So how about we leave it at that? If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space. So again, when starting to braid off, you don't need a lot because a little goes a long way. You want to start off braiding it down as such like a box braid. You want to braid a little bit, and then you start twisting the rest of the hair down. And I always start it off as a braid just so it can be secure. I can also do it the Sengalease way with just two twists, but if y'all want to see that video, you can put it in the comments and I will do that next. Close your eyes to get away, just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful. A claps. This is the final product. It did turn out cute. It did not take that long to do. And yeah, it's a good protective hairstyle. If you want to see more hair videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all.
Just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all